Today, printed interior wall graphics are gradually taking over paint and wallpaper due to their ease of application and removal, customizability, and even profitability. Most zero or low VOC paints have additives that prevent adhesive from sticking to it. That's why it's necessary to conduct tests to ensure that the surface can be wrapped. Before starting a wall project, make sure that you watched our Rapid Ride video on testing an interior wall for media compatibility. Have your application tools ready: a felt squeegee or Wrap Mafia's bill collector, snap-off blades, and a high-tack masking tape. Make sure your worksite equipment is also set: a scaffold, ladder or scissor lift, laser level, screwdriver, and brushes to dust off crevices. It is vitally important to make sure that all graphic panels for the job are properly prepared off-site. For details on this preparation, see the Rapid Ride video on tiling wall graphics. In this example, we are installing on a freestanding wall with no ceiling or adjacent walls. This wall has already been cleaned and cleared of spiderwebs, removable obstructions, and is ready for application. Carefully measure and mark the position of the inside edge of the first tile. Using a laser level to ensure plumb, apply masking tape markers on the outside of this line every few feet. This will serve as your guide for installing the first tile. Align the inner edge of the first tile with these markers. Then, anchor the top with the high-tack masking tape and let the graphic hang loose. Line up the first tile with your guides. Remove the 2-inch strip of release liner and squeegee from the center out. Next, remove the release liner above this anchor point and apply. Work from top to bottom, peeling the liner in 2-foot increments. Squeegee from the center out. For the next tile, apply masking tape on the top 2 corners and with it hanging loose, line up the registration marks made of blue masking tape. For this project, a 1/4 inch overlap was used and excess material has been trimmed. Have somebody help you check the alignments of the remaining blue tape and adjust when necessary. Once the alignment is set, remove the 2-inch strip of liner and apply to set your permanent anchor. Install the same way as the first tile. Apply the section above the anchor, work towards the bottom, and squeegee from center out 2 feet at a time. As you work your way from top to bottom, keep checking your overlap in alignment. When you reach an obstruction such as an outlet, continue your standard application until you reach the top edge. Loosely tack the vinyl over the obstruction and make a relief cut. Then, carefully apply the vinyl around the outlet. Once the film has been set all around, trim. After completing the wall wrap, outlet plates can be reinstalled. Repeat until you achieve full coverage and trim the excess material from the bottom and sides. To ensure long-term durability, post-heat, and apply firm pressure on the edges and overlaps. Having the right tools, media, preparation, and application techniques ensures an efficient, safe, and profitable install.